Okay, we're going to talk about how to make a blog on WordPress. From the home screen, you just go down to the side here, click on Posts, add new post, and here it'll directly take you to your blog. Okay, here it's all set up for you, ready to go. Simply add your title. Let's put here my blog. And then you can get started typing right here. Today, we will talk about making a blog. And there you go. This is simply your first step of making a blog here on WordPress. Once you're done with everything, you click here on the publish. If you want to add more stuff, you can click here on the add button here. If you have anything more you want to ask, simply hit us a message if you have anything you want to know about.